So I have generated around 1.2 CR for an Indian D2C brand, and I want to share something with you that will blow your mind, that how you think of running ads for your brands and what mindset you need to change when you want to scale the ads. You know there are so many strategies people are telling about, that you need to do this, you need to do something else, but I want to share you something very practical and which make sense logically also. I am not here to tell you to choose CBO, bid cap or ABO. I want you to think and be realistic that how you can grow your brand. This is for the brands who really want to scale, but if you are a small brand or a early level media buyer, you can always use this video for the purpose of like knowing how you can scale any brand. I have generated around 1.2 CR for D2C brand, right? And it is going consistently increasing month by month. That is our goal, and we are able to achieve, like, it is 50% more than the last 30 days. So we are good. So let me show you something really crazy. When you start running ads, you think of like you need to launch the ads, you need to choose ABO, CBO, interest, localized, custom audience. Those things are very common to like think of, because on the YouTube you only find these strategies. But I wanted to present you something very practical and which is very logical also, and that's how all the business and all the companies grow their brand, their company. I have a company, right? And I have a one single product that I want to sell out to the majority of the people. I want to scale my company, I want to scale my product, right? So I have 8 salespeople who are selling my products, right? One salesperson do sale 10 sales per day, second one do 20 sales per day, and sales 3 do around 6 sales per day, comparatively low with others. 4 one will 14 sales per day, fifth salesperson 10 sales per day, salesperson do 18 sales per day, which is very good, 9 sales per day and 12 sales per day. Now I want to increase the sales of my brand from X point to Y point. So what I can do logically, either I can hire more salespeople, right, and train them and then ask them to sell my company, right? Like you are launching new creatives and launching with certain amount of budget, but I want to make my company, the 8 salesperson, to be more efficient. We cannot hit same sales every day, it's very obvious. I want to improve my sales by like increasing the efficiency of my these 8 employees, because I don't want to hire somebody else and I don't want to train them and then push them that go with the sales, right? What I can do is I can improve sales of these person, salesperson 3 and salesperson 7, this person. If I, and you can say this person also with little bit of like help, I want to improve these sales of this salesperson and this salesperson. If I want to improve the efficiency of these salesperson, what I can do is I can replace this person with somebody else, like somebody better salesperson. If I am hiring more people, right, and my previous ones are not able to perform, then what I can do is either I should remove them or replace them. These are the two only options that I have that can help my company to scale the brand. If I get same people, same type of people, like salesperson 6, salesperson 2, right, salesperson 14, then I can obviously improve my sales from X point to Y point, right? I cannot say that my product is not good, because I am able to, some of the salesperson is able to sell the product, so there is demand in the market and people are buying it. I cannot go just saying that ki I should just change the creatives, I should change my whole team, right? My whole team is good, but few of the peoples in my team is not able to perform well. So I try to look for the people who are similar to salesperson 2, salesperson 4, salesperson 6, and so on. Obviously there is always room for improvement. If I able to find salesperson 3 who is able to give me 14 sales, 6 sales to 15 sales, 9 sales this salesperson 3 is giving me, right? Salesperson 5 is giving me now 17 sales, and salesperson 7 giving me 14 sales per day, right? So from where I was, I just change these three people and my sales will double or improve day by day, because every salesperson is just something is new, and after completing training, after getting the data points, after understanding the company, after understanding the behavior of the people, they can improve their sales day by day. So all these people, all the sales people who are doing sales per day, they will improve day by day because they will be more familiar with the people, able to connect with people, understand their problem and sell the products. So that's why without adding lot of people, I just improve the sales cycle. I just improve the sales cycle of my company and my efficiency is increasing day by day. Okay. This is one perspective. Now, think of this perspective in the terms of meta ad account. These people are working individually. Now they combinedly, all salespeople are able to generate more and more sales and increasing day by day, right? Now I want to see it this as a one brand. Okay, I have one product. These are the sales of the ads that I have introduced in the ad account. I have to invest some amount of budget into hiring these people also, into giving them training also, and then making them understand what is the product and all the early stage stuff. Okay, they are able to produce 10 sales per day, 20 here, 7 here, add 4 14, add 5 10 sales, add 6 18, add 7 13, add 8 12. Now I want to increase the sales of my brand. Now what I can do is I can find better ads that can give me much better results, right? If I am able to replace this third ad similar to that sales example I was giving you, was able to give more sales from this, like from 10 sales per day to 15 sales per day, here 7 sales to 12 sales per day, right? I am able to scale my brand automatically. You know what I'm saying? Now you're getting the similarity between the salespeople and sales. You need to see your ads as a salespeople, that this ad is able to produce this much amount of sales, this ad is producing me small amount of sales. So what I can do is I can replace those ads with much better ads. Now let's say you are spending $100 over here, $100 on each ad. For example, you are spending around $800 per day and spending each $100 on each ad. You have to spend same amount of money on the ads that are giving 10 sales per day, same amount of money who is giving 20 sales per day, 7 10 and all these ads, right? But if you shift your budgeting strategy into CBO, what's going to happen? This will improve by drastically. Now you are controlling all these individual ads on the ad set level, right? Now you shift your budgeting strategy into CBO. Now Facebook is automatically rotating budget around all these 8 ads, right? And performing on the basis of which of these ads are performing good on that particular day and increasing it day by day. If you shift your budget from ABO to CBO, what's going to happen? Someday you are getting 40 sales per day because ad 2 is performing really great, like people are liking this ad and they are producing the results. On some days ad 6 is performing. So this is automatically becoming a funnel in your sales cycle. Like for example, I see this ad also, ad 1 as a consumer. I'm talking about ad 1, ad 2, ad 6. See, I see all these 3 ads in a single day, and day after tomorrow, and so I am continuously seeing these ads. But one of these ads is so relatable to me and it convinced me like I need to buy this stuff. So I go with the ad 6 to buy the stuff, right? So all these ads are equally important for me to make the decision because I was introduced by the brand using this ad 1 or maybe 4 or 2, but I bought from which source is ad 6. So I cannot just remove all these person instantly until unless they are really bad, because after running ads for 7 days, 14 days, you will be able to see the data clearly that which ad is producing me what amount of sales per day and which ad is producing me small amount of sales per day. So I have a goal to shift that one ad with better ads. That way I am able to increase the sales of my brand. So I hope you get something similarity between this portion and this portion, right? So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 85 million in revenue for my clients. So all these things that I am saying is coming from the experience, right? I don't have any ebook or webinar to sell to you guys. It's just pure experience. I see lot of brands, like 90% of these brands are struggling to grow, right? Because their media buyer and these marketing agencies are not able to perform well. They're not upgrading their knowledge. Each and every brand has different learning curve. We cannot just implement one tutorial to all these brands. We need to understand the product. We need to understand why somebody will buy this product. And once we start analyzing on this parameter, not just like which custom audience is working for me, which lookalikes are working for me. We will always stuck in this loop. So I hope this video makes sense to you, and if you have any doubt or you want to work with me, you can reach out to me using the link in description. Thank you.